following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police and NASA. We have received reports of an unknown bright light in the clouds hovering over Baltimore and Annapolis. I don't know what type of clouds are there, but NASA has stated that these clouds are emitted through an extraterrestrial original using a bright light. Although it is not yet confirmed at this time, all residents are advised to just continue their daily routines as not much information has been received at this time. Remain tuned for more updates and information.